concrete jungle. Welcome to the city full of animals. I'd be lying if there was a snake, I got ammo. Write a nigga name, flip some words. I just got extra clips off of talking shit. Fucking with the right one, that's a wrong move. Ain't like the nice ones, we the wrong dudes. From the puddle, know some rare ones from the muddle. Know some rare ones from the gutter. I ain't trying to do what they couldn't finish. It ain't easy, but I'm gon' finish. I'm on the highway switching lanes. Damn, speeding through traffic, hope they catch this. Trying to do what they couldn't finish. It ain't easy, but I'm gon' finish. I'm on the highway switching lanes. Damn, speeding through traffic, hope they catch this. Wake up every morning, use a light as a sign. I'ma go hard till it shine. Even when I die, I'ma go hard in the mind. Let them know a nigga's still alive. Can't kill the spirit if the spirit got ties. Can't kill the name if the shit's in the game. Like I said, I'm here to proclaim, do my thing. Spit a little fire, written in my name. Hold up, trying to make my mom's proud. Trying to put me on, so I can do the same for my